Afraid of choosing the wrong college? Watch until the end of this video to learn how to pick the right colleges for you. In less than 10 minutes, I'll show you the steps that help you produce a short list of the best colleges for you, academically, socially, and financially. Stay tuned to the end because I have a free download for you. For the best advice for your college journey, subscribe to the Midwest College Solutions channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Friday. If you don't know all the criteria you should use to compare colleges, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will have rock-solid criteria to base your search on. Criteria we've used for hundreds of students to find their best college academically, socially, and financially. Then students only apply to the colleges that are their best fit while being affordable. Why is this so important? Choosing the wrong college can affect the parent and student's standard of living for their entire life, burying them in debt. The wrong choice can affect the student's mental health and even cause them to drop out of college. Planning for college, picking a college for high schoolers, is the second video in the College Advice for High Schoolers and Parents series. If you haven't watched Planning for College, Choosing a Career for High Schoolers, the first video in the College Advice for High Schoolers and Parents series, go back and watch that first. Selecting a career that matches who you are is the foundation for searching for colleges. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Start your search with all the accredited 4-year colleges and universities, which is currently around 3,000. This is your jumping off point. Study after study shows that the real value is graduating and not whether you attend an elite college. Step 2. Narrow this list by your major, type of institution, location, preferred size, and setting. Step 3. Now, you will narrow this list further by using student positioning. Student positioning is a methodology used to narrow down a large list of possible colleges to a small list of prospect colleges, broken down by academically, socially, and financially. You will look for colleges that are academic matches. Consider SAT, ACT, and GPA from the prior year freshman class. Remove colleges from your list that you are not in the upper 25%. Ideally, top 10%. Why? 3 reasons. Transitioning into college life, while exciting, can be challenging. Students are introduced to new freedoms and responsibilities and feel overwhelmed with academic and social pressures. Add sleep deprivation, which is often seen as a characteristic of college life, which it really shouldn't be. And college becomes a major stressor that can contribute to the onset of depression and anxiety. In fact, studies show 1 out of 5 college students are affected by depression or anxiety. Suicide is the second leading cause of death for college students, but it is preventable. Do you have strategies you are planning to use in college for staying mentally healthy? Please share them in the comments below. I'm sure everyone can benefit from them. Second reason to make sure you are academically matched to a college is that students who are in the top 10% of the college get more merit aid, free money. Choosing a college that is matched to your academic level is one of the best gifts you can give yourself that has an impact on your college life and beyond. Last, most grad schools have a minimum GPA allowed for acceptance. And it is looked at alongside your graduate record exams, your recommendation letters, and personal essays. So GPA counts to most grad schools more than where you got your bachelor degree. Next, look at the college acceptance rates. You look at acceptance rate because this will tell you how competitive it is to get in. The lower the rate, the more competitive it is. You want colleges on your list that have an acceptance rate around 70% or higher. Then, if there are one or two that have a lower acceptance rate that interests you, keep them on your list. Then we look at the retention rate, which averages around 78%. If they lose a large percentage of their freshman class each year, that is a good sign something is wrong. This is a big one. Look at graduation rates and remove colleges that have a low percentage for graduating students within 4 years. These are colleges typically that do not have enough prerequisite classes to meet the demand. The cost of graduating in more than 4 years is not just the cost of school. It includes lost income that you could have been making if you weren't still taking classes. It is hard to get at the number, and most colleges will only report 5 years. However, there are some places you can find it. Look at how colleges have historically met the financial need of its students. Do you know how to calculate your financial need? And is yours what you expected? Put your answer in the comments below. Watch Planning for College EFC, the third video in the College Advice for High Schoolers and Parents series. It covers the EFC, optimizing your EFC, and how to calculate your financial need. Next, you'll look at what form colleges have historically met the financial need. Loans and work study, which is self-help, or gift aid, which is free money. You want colleges on your list that have a higher percentage awarded in gift aid. This should be done for not just the freshman class, but also undergrad as a whole. There are some colleges that will front load financial aid in the freshman year, basically a bait and switch. They figure you are committed after 1 year and that you're not going to leave. Look at which colleges historically have provided the highest merit aid. It takes a little digging to find. You can find this data in IPEDS and the Common Data Set databases. The government requires all post-secondary institutions that receive federal financial aid to report this data to be included in IPEDS. The Common Data Set database is a collaboration between higher education institutions and publishers. Now, you know exactly what criteria you should use to perform your college search to create your list of prospective colleges. Would you find a spreadsheet template helpful? Click below in the description to download your free template. Visit www.Midwest College Solutions for more helpful resources for your college journey. If you found this helpful, please let me know by liking it, subscribe so you don't miss future videos, and help your friends and family by sharing it with them. Please let me know what parts of this video you found most helpful in the comments section below. Got a question? Leave it in the comments below. I will answer it there or point you to a future video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.